Welcome to Common Mistakes in Pronunciation. In this video, we will explore 12 commonly mispronounced words in English. Clear pronunciation is essential for effective communication. Let's master these words together and speak with confidence. Pronunciation is a fundamental skill in English learning. When you pronounce words correctly, people understand you better. Many English words sound similar but have completely different meanings. Mispronouncing a word can lead to confusion. By learning the correct pronunciation of common words, you build confidence in speaking. Remember, practice makes perfect pronunciation. Let's start with the first two words. Word 1 is ask. The correct pronunciation is ask with a long a sound, not ax as many people say. Word 2 is ath-uh-lete. It has 3 syllables, ath-lete. Many people incorrectly say ath-uh-lete with 4 syllables. Remember to emphasize the th sound clearly. Now for words 3 and 4. Word 3 is espresso. This is an Italian coffee drink. The correct pronunciation is ESPRESSO. Do not say ex-presso with an X sound. Word 4 is etc., meaning and so on. Pronounce it as etc. It is not etc. The first part starts with a short E sound. Moving to words 5 and 6. Word 5 is jewelry. This word has 2 syllables, jewelry. Many people add extra syllables and say jewelry. Word 6 is library. It has 3 syllables, library. A common mistake is dropping the first R and saying library. Always include both R sounds. Now for words 7 and 8. Word 7 is nuclear. It has 3 syllables, nuclear. Many people incorrectly say nuclear or nuclear. This is a very common mistake. Word 8 is often. The correct pronunciation is often or often. Do not pronounce the T sound. The T is silent in this word. Let's continue with words 9 and 10. Word 9 is realtor. This is a person who sells real estate. Pronounce it as realtor. Do not say realtor with 4 syllables. Word 10 is recognize. It has 3 syllables, recognize. A common error is stressing the wrong syllable. Place stress on the first syllable, recognize. We conclude with the final 2 words. Word 11 is supposedly. It has 4 syllables, supposedly. The stress is on the second syllable. Do not say supposedly. Word 12 is windbag, meaning a talkative person. Pronounce the wind part with a short I sound like in win, not like the wind that blows. Say windbag clearly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.